Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2006 Saab 9.3. We're doing a blower motor. So customer state the blower motor was in op and did not work anymore. Quite common for these to get water down inside the motor, and you see all the rust down inside there. And lock this up. This is pretty stiff compared to the new one. This one just fit all comfort freely, and this one is nothing. So this is what we got to do: replace the whole assembly and also replace the resistor, which is this piece right here. So it attaches directly to the motor. Little plug here on the side. Little plug here on the side. It just kind of snaps right in. Got a screw here, screw here. That's it for that. You can try and replace that by itself, but 9 times out of 10, if that blows, the motor is the cause, because there's not another resistance item in here besides the motor itself. So this is how it fits into the assembly. Up here on the passenger side, you have 7 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 2 right there. They are T15s. And you also got some T20s and stuff to take off for this here. So we're going to do this in reverse order as usual. So take out all those screws, disconnect your connector over here for the resistor itself. This little tab right here, it's going to be behind this metal plate, and then this tab over here. So this right goes and locks it up in place so that you can put the screws in without actually having to hold it and fight it. Good engineering.
Would you like some water?
So once this assembly is up into place, you can put your screws and stuff. The only hard one is going to be the one back there. I had to use a swivel with the T15 and got it that way. You can probably put a ratchet on there too. Glove box comes out. One here, and one's going to go right here. And those are the T25s, I believe. Whole assembly just pops right out. The bottom half of the valence, this piece, just screw right there. You go in over here, and then another one right here goes right there, and then this piece will come out. And of course, just disconnect all your stuff. I took this out to get to that one screw easier, and there is a Torx bit that goes right here for it. Other than that, it's not a whole lot. Oh, sorry. You need to take out your air duct, which will go like yay. And then there's one screw right here up underneath. It's pretty self-explanatory, not too bad. About 45 minute job. Oh, don't forget to replace the cabin filter too, because that's the main cause for causing this problem.